unbox my new gift. So let's see what's in it. I think it's looking bicycle. Wow, it's really bicycle. So we remove the packing. It's a Diecast and the size is 1/80. No, it's